So now we will start the questions. Okay, the first question is 4 root minus 4 plus 5 root minus 9 minus 3 under root minus 16. This is the thing we have to solve. We have to find the value. So how will you write? First of all, just see carefully. You can write like this: 4 into minus 1 plus 5 under root 9 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now what is the square root of 4? 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 2 into root of minus 1, okay, plus 5 into 3 into root of minus 1 minus 3 into 4 into root of minus 1. What is root of minus 1? Iota. Okay, so 8 iota plus 15 iota minus 12 iota. Okay, so 15 minus 12 is 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11 iota. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, next question. Okay, now we are going to do some conjugate questions where we have to find the conjugate. Okay, so this is the first question. Minus root 5 minus root 7 iota. Okay, what is the conjugate of this number? Always change the sign with the imaginary part to find the conjugate. So it will be minus root 5 minus, what will become this minus? This minus will become plus root 7 iota. This is the conjugate, minus root 5 plus root 7. Okay, let's do 2 more. Next is root 2. Now you have to find this, the conjugate of this complex number. So what will it be? Root 2 minus root 3 iota. Okay, let us do one more. Z is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta. What will be the conjugate? Okay, one thing I forgot to show you. Whenever you find conjugate, don't forget to make this bar on the top of Z. Okay, I forgot Z bar, and here also Z bar will be cos theta minus iota sin theta. Okay, pretty simple question, nothing complicated in it. So this is some questions for conjugate. Next we will do some questions of equality. Okay. So this is the question. A plus 2b plus 2ai is equal to 4 plus 6. So we have to find the value of, 4 plus 6 iota. We have to find the value of A and B. Okay, so first of all, just separate the real, this the way I am showing. First separate the real and imaginary parts. A plus 2B plus 2AI is equal to 4 plus 6. So this here is the real part and this here is the imaginary part. Okay, so equate the real part with the real part on the right hand side and imaginary part with the imaginary part on the right hand side. So A plus 2B is equal to 4. Okay, and 2A is equal to 6. Okay, never write iota. Okay, only write the part before iota when you equate the imaginary part. Some people make this mistake. So this is the way you do it. So A is equal to 3. Just substitute it here. So 3 plus 2B is equal to 4. So 2B is equal to 1. and b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1 by 2. This is your answer. Okay, next one. Okay, so we have to find this question same thing. We have to find the values of a and b. Okay, so first of all, how to proceed? First of all, what will you do? You will separate the real and imaginary part. This is the basic thing that you have to do in all the questions. First of all, just multiply these two. So this is 2a plus iota a plus 2b plus iota b is equal to b plus 1 plus 10 iota plus 2a iota. Okay, so just separate the real and imaginary parts. So on this side, so 2a plus 2b plus iota a plus b. Okay, this side no need to open anything. I think already it was written the correct way. Okay. Okay, now you have converted into general form of, this is a general form. Okay, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Equate the real parts and imaginary parts. So 2a plus 2b is equal to b plus 1, where second equation is a plus b is equal to 10 plus 2a. These are the two equations that you get and you have to solve them. Okay, so what is the answer? 2a plus b is equal to 1. This is the first equation, and this one is minus a plus b is equal to 10. Okay, so to solve these equations, what I can do? I will subtract these two equations. b cancel, 3a is equal to 9, a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3. Okay, now what is the value of b? Minus 3 plus b is equal to 10, so b is equal to 13. A is 3 and b is equal to 13. See, in these questions, first the basic thing that you have to do is that separate the real and imaginary part. After that it is very easy. Okay, just make it in this form, ax plus iota y. Okay, then your question will be very easy to solve. Okay, next question. Okay, so this is the next question. You have to find the value of a and b. Okay, so right hand side, okay, it looks okay, because they write it in this form. Okay, left hand side, you have to convert it into the form of a and iota. You have to convert it into this form, x plus iota y. General form you have to convert it. Okay, how will you convert it? So this is just a case of division. So how will you remove this a and iota b from the bottom? what will you do? You will take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply with numerator and denominator. So it looks something like this. I will solve with LHS first. Okay, so this is a minus iota b divided by what will come here? A plus iota b into a minus iota b. What identity can you use? A plus iota b. This is x plus y, x minus y. That is x square minus y square. Same. This will be a square plus b square. Why? Because a square minus iota b square. Iota square is what? Minus 1. So this will become iota a square minus 1 b square. So a square plus b square. This is the answer. This is the way you will write it. Okay. So now look carefully here. Now just separate the real and imaginary parts. So it is a upon a square plus b square. Okay. Minus iota b upon a square plus b square. Okay. Now just equate to the right hand side, that is 3 minus 2 iota. Okay. Now what we will do is we will equate the real and imaginary parts. Okay. So real part is a upon a square plus b square is equal to 3. Okay. Imaginary part is minus b upon a square plus b square is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this you can cancel, minus sign you can cancel. Okay, so what you get from here is a is equal to 3 a square plus b square. You get from here, and from here you get b is equal to 2 a square plus b square. Okay, so these are the two equations that you get. Okay, and you have to solve these equations. Okay, so let us try and solve these equations. First, what we can do is I will multiply this equation by 2 and I will multiply this equation by 3. Okay, so just do this. So what you get is 3b. Okay, 3b is equal to 6 a square plus b square. Okay, and this equation you get as 2a is equal to 6 a square plus b square. Okay, now I will just, what we can do is, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, what will you do is, now you will subtract 1 and 2. Okay, so this is 3b minus 2a is equal to what? 6a square plus b square minus 6a square plus b square is what? 0, yes? 0. So you can say 3b is equal to 2a, or you can say that a is equal to 3b by 2. Okay, this is the value of a in terms of b. Now you have to find the value of a and b individually also. Okay, so how will you proceed is, this is pretty long question. Just substitute value of b, a in this equation, so you will get b. So the equation was a is equal to 3a square plus b square, right? So a is what? 3b by 2. So just put in here 3b by 2 is equal to 3 into a square. So 3b by 2 whole square plus b square. Okay, now 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Okay, now here you get b by 2 is equal to 9 by 4 b square plus b square. Okay, LCM you can take, LCM will be 4, so b square by 2 is equal to 9b square plus 4b square divided by 4. So 2 and 2 cancel, 2 you will get on this side, so 2b is equal to 13b square. Okay, you can write it like 13b square minus 2b is equal to 0. Okay, so 13b you can take out common. Sorry, no, you can take out b common from this. So 13b minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can find the value of b as 0 and b is equal to 2. B is equal to 0 and b is equal to 2. So what will be the value of a? A will be, just substitute the value of b in this one. So a can be either 0 or, sorry, b will be what? 0 or 2 by 13. Pardon. 0 or 2 by 13. Okay. And what will be the value of a? A will be 3 by 2 into 2 by 13. You can say a will be how much? 3 by 13. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So now one doubt must be coming to your mind that you are getting two values, yes, 0 and 2 by 13, and here you are getting 0 and 3 by 13. But the answer should be only one value of a and b you will take. So is the value 0 possible for a and b? Is it possible? Actually no, because the question was see 1 upon a plus iota b is equal to, this was the question in the beginning, right? If you put here a and b as 0, if you put a and b as 0, what will you get? You will get 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0 is not defined. So not defined, so it is not possible for a and b to be 0. Okay, so the answer will be 2 by 13 and 3 by 13. A is 2 by 13 and b is 3 by 13. No need to write a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, because this is not possible, because answer becomes not defined. Okay, so this is a very important concept. Okay, let's do one more. A plus iota b into 1 plus iota 2 plus iota. Okay, just find the value of a and b. So again, for convert it into general form of a plus iota b or x plus iota y, just multiply this. So a plus iota a plus iota b minus b, okay, is equal to 2 iota, 2 plus iota. Okay, now separate imaginary and real parts. Okay, a minus b is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to what? 1. Okay, I just equated the real and imaginary part. So a minus b is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to 1. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, that is a minus b plus a plus b is equal to 2 plus 1. So 2a, b and b will be cancelled, is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the answer. A is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, let's do the next question. What we have to do in this question is, I will give you the question. This is the question that is given to us. What we have to do is, we have to convert it into general form a plus iota b and find the value of a and b. Okay, now all the questions that we are going to do from here on will be in this form only. I mean 2-3 more we will do in this only. We have to convert it into a and iota b form and find the values of a and b. Okay, so how will you proceed in this question? See, 1 plus iota into raised to the power minus 1. What is the meaning? It means 1 minus iota is in the denominator. Okay, now just take the, now this is the division, simple division question. So take the conjugate of denominator and multiply it with numerator and denominator. So 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota. 1 plus iota is the conjugate of 1 minus iota. So this is 1 plus iota whole square upon 1 square minus iota whole square. This is 1 plus 2 iota plus iota square. Iota square is what? Minus 1, yes? See, iota plus 1 whole square. 1 square plus 2 into 1 into iota is 2 iota plus iota square. Iota square is minus 1. Okay. On the bottom, 1 square is 1 minus iota square is minus 1. Okay. So this comes out to be 1 cancel. 2 iota upon 1 plus 1. So is equal to 2 iota upon 2 is equal to iota. Okay, so how will you write it in this form? You can write it like this: 0 plus 1 iota. You can write, this is just the same form. Okay, after writing in this form, what is the value of a? A is 0 and b is 1. Okay, this is how you will do this question. Again same type, just first of all I have to find in this form and I have to find these values. Okay, now we will solve this. So 2 plus iota upon, first of all just try and solve the denominator, just multiply these two terms. Okay, so this will be 3 plus 6 iota minus iota minus iota into 2 iota. So iota into iota is minus 1. So minus minus plus. Okay, so this is 2 plus iota. Okay, this is 5 plus 5 iota. Okay, so now you can just take the conjugate of this and multiply numerator and denominator. Before doing that, you can take out 5 common. It will make your calculation easy because 5 is coming common from this. So this is 1 plus iota. Okay, now solve this. So this is 2 plus iota into 1 minus iota. So 2 minus 2 iota plus iota plus 1 divided by 1 minus plus 1, because iota square is minus 1. So solve this further. So 1 plus 1 is 2, yes. 2 into 5 is 10. So this is 3 minus iota. So you can write it in this form: 3 by 10 minus iota by 10. What is the value of A? 3 by 10. B minus 1 by 10. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. This is the next question. Okay, so before you do anything, just open the whole square. So 1 plus iota whole square upon 1 minus iota whole square. Just open the respective whole squares. So it is 1 plus 2 iota minus 1. Why? Because iota square is minus 1. And here on the bottom it is 1 minus 2 iota minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 cancel. Here also 1 minus 1 cancel. So 2 iota upon minus 2 iota. So plus 2 iota upon minus 1 iota, 2 iota is minus 1. So the answer will be minus 1 plus 0 iota. So A is minus 1 and B is 0. Okay. This is the next question. 1 plus iota raised to the power minus 3. So 1 upon no need to write like this. Just write like this form. 1 plus iota whole cube. You can write like this. This is the meaning of minus 3, right? So now open the whole cube. A plus B whole cube. What is that? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. You have studied in 8th standard. So this is 1 cube plus iota cube plus 3 into 1 into iota is 3 iota into 1 plus iota. Okay, so 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus, okay, iota cube is how much? Minus iota. Okay, 3 iota into 1 plus iota. So 3 iota into 1 is 3 iota plus 3 iota. 3 iota into iota is minus 3. Okay, iota into iota is minus 1, so this is minus 3. So this will be minus 2 plus 2 iota. Okay, so first of all take 2 common. Actually minus 2 common. 1 plus iota. Sorry, 1 minus iota is. Okay, now we have to bring it on the top. So just take the conjugate and multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, but iota is minus, iota square is minus 1, so it will become plus. So minus 1 by 2 into iota plus 1. So this is minus iota by 2 minus 1 by 2. So a is, okay, first we will write it in the general form, that is minus 1 by 2, okay, minus iota by 2. So a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, this is the next question. So you have to, first of all, the question is same. Write it in this form: a and iota b. Find the value of a and b. Okay, now this was the question. So first of all, we have to simplify this iota 8, 9, 11, 10 and all that. Okay, so how can we write iota? See, this is 4 into 2. It is a multiple of 2. 8 is a multiple of 2. Minus 3 iota 4 into 2 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3 iota. How can you write 11? 4 into 2 plus 3. Last is 10. So minus 4 iota 4 into 2 plus 2 minus 2. Okay. So these all are 4 multiples of 4. So they will become 1. Okay. A multiple of 4 is 1. So you can write what here? 4i square minus 3i. Sorry. 4 minus 3i plus 3. Okay, because iota raised to the power 1 is iota. This one is 3 iota raised to the power 3 minus 4 iota square minus 2. Okay, now just simplify this. So iota cube is minus iota, so minus 3 iota. Iota square is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 minus 2. So simplify it further. 7 minus 3 iota upon 2 minus 3 iota. Okay, it is still not done. We have to convert it into this form. So just take the conjugate of denominator and multiply by numerator and denominator. 7 to the 14 plus 21 iota minus 6 iota plus 9. Okay, this is 2 square 4 plus 9. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. Why I take plus here? Because I square is minus 1. So it will become plus. 14 plus 9 is 23 plus 15 iota divided by 13. So this will be 23 upon 13 plus 15 upon 13 iota. So A will be 23 by 13 and B will be 15 by 13. Okay, so I think we have done enough questions of these type. We will continue in the next class.